Forgot to mention in update number 5 that this is not going to go well with the sun angle, but the truss towers are out for lighting. However, as of now, as of the already 3rd of September, because of the hurricane, nothing out here yet. Will change soon. I'm gonna have a bonus update for when they put all this stuff back. Back at Universal Studios for a second Halloween Horror Nights merchandise update. The Universal Studio Store last night pulled some of the merchandise they had out here, and this morning has put out the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. You might think it might be the same stuff we saw before, but there's a few cool new things. Let's check them out. Don't remember if this is new, so I'm gonna shoot it and then think it isn't. $28 for this tacky hat. Some used Studios phone cases. $30 for these. Oh, this is definitely new. If you want a license plate showing Halloween Horror Nights 29 or Halloween Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights 2019, it's $20. $8 will get you a Stranger Things pen. That sure is a Stranger Thing. $15 for a Stranger Things planner, weekly or monthly. Over here they have a shirt for us. Oh wait, no, Universal Studios, never mind. Could be for Halloween or the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but here's some witch hats and some other hats. I almost missed all these masks. Check out the one from House. This one's kind of cool. Now the funny thing is you can buy these, but you can't wear them in the park. Killer clowns like last year, Frankenstein. Scarecrow. Actually, I don't know what the Trick or Treat Studios. Dark Knight of the Scarecrow. I wonder what that's a reference to. This might be in Cyber Image, but $32 for this House of 1,000 Corpses shirt. Brian should definitely get this. Interesting, here at the Universal Studio Store you can get a Palace Arcade shirt. And I have something really exciting to show you about the Palace Arcade. But first, Camp 85, Nowhere. I'm assuming that's a Stranger Things reference, because it seems kind of random if it wasn't. You can wear a shirt of somebody wearing a shirt. Oh, it's overalls, really. Ow! Those are sharp, be careful. $10 for a Stranger Things 4-pack button pack. $14 for just the lanyard. But if you want also to have a pass holder, you don't have to be a pass holder. There is this design and also this design. And yes, as you might suspect, a lot of this is a repeat from the Cyber Image store, but not all of it. Back in Cyber Image, because somehow I didn't see this. As hard as it is to believe, I missed this. Pretty awesome. Also, new pins just came in for Killer Clowns, $12. $6.95. Some Killer Clowns cotton candy. Wow, that's a lot of, well, 2 Ks and 2 Cs, but similar sounds. Hold on one second. I have to come over here to the exit shop for Mummy because I didn't realize when I was showing you all this merchandise that there's some stuff in here, including these arcade cabinets, which don't have actual games. But they do have shirts for the arcade that's right over here. Plus, shirts like Atari. Oh yeah, they're $30 for this shirt. Centipede, probably also $30. Yep. Really cool cabinets though. I do like the designs. Some of the same merchandise we saw, like these are $18. These are the blacklight reactant apparel. We saw the thin but comfortable zip hoodie. And again, that is $50 for this. A mix of glasses, $10 each. An asteroid shirt, I think we just saw that, but $30. Atari socks. And they also have these, which are really cool retro games for $27. I have played all these games because I'm 42. For $70, you can get this Atari 2600 themed backpack. Cool, but or hoodies. This is not Cyber Image, but it's going to probably be in the Tribute store, but it's here in the Mummy exit shop for $79. It's Sahara Traders, if you're wondering. It's just easier to say exit shop. And here is Maximum Scramage. Scrimmage. I'm kidding. Screamage. Like that's a word. $30 for Never Forget Your First Love. You kind of got me there. So from here, we see these arcade consoles that aren't real arcade consoles, but look over here. Ooh, some rare and old consoles. At least for me, it's rare. Like Space Invaders. I don't know if I've ever... I might have played that in the arcade, but mostly on console. Rampage. Now, you can't get Horror Nights 29 tokens yet. That will be starting on Friday. But Mr. Do... Now, I went to the arcade a lot in the 80s. Don't ever remember that one. No, the Space Invaders, of course. Now, the newer games are still here, including a lot of claw games. My gosh, I've never seen so many claw games. Breakout, of course. Though I don't know if I've ever played that in the arcade. Dig Dug, I used to play a lot at home on the NES. Dragon's Lair, I believe that's a game that we have on property normally because we had that last year. And there's another Dragon's Lair. Over here we have Zaxxon. Sega Turbo. Sega! Space Duel. Some shirts you can buy, as I showed you already. Miss Pac-Man, a 20-year reunion. Galaga, class of 1981. Of course, you have to have some Donkey Kong with some Jumpman, of course. So, and plenty of places to get tokens. And as you can see here, you don't have to use bills. You can also use credit cards, Apple Pay, maybe Samsung Pay. It doesn't say specifically. But this is the low price for tokens here. Unlike Islands of Adventure, there are no redemption games over here. So what does Universal Studios look like on the 3rd of September? Extremely empty. Hogwarts Express is 15 minutes. That is the highest time I'm seeing on this board. Yeah. Now traditionally this will be open tomorrow, which may still be the case, not sure. You can see they partially deconstructed the Beat Builders scaffolding, but not completely. If that hurricane was coming straight for us, I'm sure it would be completely gone and those banners would be gone, but since it's just kind of passing by, they didn't bother. And the awning has been rolled up over here. But again, you can see in general, really great day to be here as a guest. Because, wow. Near the King's Cross Station here in San Francisco is yet another place where you can buy some Halloween Horror Nights merchandise. I don't know if I just haven't paid attention well enough, or it seems like they're putting their merchandise in more places this year, which is pretty smart. Nothing new here, just a different location. Oh, except I forgot to show you this at the Universal Studios store. For $35 is a long sleeve t-shirt. I believe it's the first time they've ever had an Academy of Villains shirt. So that's cool. Never had a Bill and Ted shirt until they went away. Look, even Diagon Alley doesn't have very many people in it. Here we are at Harry Potter and Escape from Gringotts. It is 10:02 in the morning, and you might not believe it, but yeah, that really says 10 minutes. Don't buy self-knitting needles. This has been trying to finish this knitting job for years, and look, it's not done yet still. To be honest, I've never actually looked at the stuff in these windows because I'm always like trying to fight the crowd in here. So this is really nice. Quick step out of the parks to the refresh kiosk out here to try the Voodoo Doughnut burger. That's right, the Voodoo Doughnut burger. I'll show you. Now, is that not the picture of health food? A glazed donut with the burger with American cheese and bacon. Nothing unhealthy about that at all. But how does it taste? All these calories and cholesterol, but don't worry, I have a diet water. Moved over here to an actual table, and you can see the wind is going to blow this away, so I have to hold it when I eat. So the question is, how is it? It's pretty good. I've always kind of liked burgers with a sweet bun, and of course it's a donut, so it's a very sweet bun. It's a little pricey though. It's not as amazing as a burger you might get at the Hard Rock Cafe, but it is pretty good. And an unexpected place to find food. Usually it's just for drinks. Oh, that 15-minute wait for Hogwarts Express? Walk on. All right, over here at Hogsmeade Station, when I came up to the area to wait to get on the Hogwarts Express over at Universal Studios at King's Cross Station, I literally didn't have enough time to pull out my camera because we were loading right away. So that, you can't get more of a walk on than that, and you can see there's nobody waiting for it over here. And there it goes already. I cannot emphasize enough how wonderful it feels to walk down these stairs, being the only person walking down these stairs and not being stuck in a giant crowd when I'm like, I just want to get to the rides. This is, I mean, I feel like I want to go up the stairs and come down like 5 more times just because I never get to do this. Look, I can walk as fast as I want. Now over here in Hogsmeade, it's a somewhat busy, but compared to normal, pretty dead. A little more busy than Diagon Alley, but Diagon Alley is also a little bit larger. And there's also Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Oh, I found where everyone is. Still 120 minutes. Moderate crowd for the Frog Choir show. Some of those people are team members. Well, 2 of them are. While I'm over here checking out the lack of crowds, I'd like to point out that the Carney games, some of them have returned to Jurassic Park. Not in the place I would thought they would be, but here they are. Alright, so these games have only been here for a few days. That's why it was new to me, because it is a new location. Walking through here, checking out the work walls around the Unknown project. Also seeing how few people are walking through here. Yes, River Adventure is really at a 5-minute wait. Not sure when they started having musicians here in Jurassic Park, but well, they started. Whoa, Popeye is gone. And unfortunately, his ride is not open today. Bummer, because it would be a little late. Okay, gonna update that information. It's not just closed today, it's actually closed starting today until sometime in December for maintenance. That's all I know. Yeah. Since I anticipate this being a short video, I'm going to show you the wait times Midway Mayhem style. Everything is 5 to 10, except of course Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, still 120. They told me before I got on the Hogwarts Express, which as you saw is not 10 minutes, They told me before I got on Hargreaves Express at King's Cross it's only 30 minutes. Don't know where they got that information from. Well, not surprisingly, the amazing adventures of Spider-Man is at only a 5-minute wait. That's like an obligation. I just have to now. So, with that, thank you for watching this merch update and walkthrough video all the way through. I'm gonna go ride Spider-Man. You can watch this awesome end card, and don't forget to visit the official Orlando gift shop. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.